Hey guys, Tim here. I've made a few videos now on this Philips Norelco OneBlade. This is the Pro version. I made a video saying why I would recommend getting the Pro version versus the standard, so check that out as well. But what I want to show you here today is a lot of people have been asking me in the comments and stuff if you can use this with, shaving cream, things like that. So I'm gonna give you a demo here. Someone else asked too, like if you could even use it with shaving cream with the guard on. So I'll test that out too and show you kind of maybe putting this at a low level with the guard and then just using it with this. But it is a wet and dry razor, so you should have no problems, but I'm gonna show you kind of the performance here. Now in my experience too, I use this dry a lot of the time. Sometimes I have a little bit of a shaving gel, not an actual cream that I'll use with this. Honestly, just using this dry, because this isn't a traditional razor blade, it isn't quite as close. It does a pretty good close shave, but it doesn't get as close to your skin. So even personally, I've had issues in the past with some razor discomfort, irritation, stuff like that. But with this, it does not happen. So it gives you a pretty close shave without giving you the irritation in my experience. All right, so what we'll do though is I'm gonna put on some shaving cream here and I'll show you with some actual shaving cream, just making sure this still cuts well. I got some Stubble like over here, and then I'll do some of my mustache here so you guys could see something just a little bit longer in case you let it go a little in between. But let's see here. So here's kind of like your before. You can kind of see some of the stubble I've got going on here on this side. I'm gonna go no guard on this here, on this side. So you can see it kind of just scoops it off there, the shaving cream. So I'm gonna rinse this off. This is wet dry, so I just rinsed that in water. I'd say I basically did the normal performance there. I can see here is where I kind of missed, I left purposely. And then over here is where it shaved. So this is actually pretty smooth and clear. You can see again right here, if I hit this back. And this is very easy, just going over, just even back and forth like this. But yeah, it does a pretty good job, pretty, close. I'd say it's just as close. But yeah, there's the other side just to give you an example again. Now somebody asked about with the guard on. So I'll do with the guard on, I'm gonna put it pretty low to do my mustache here, but I'll kind of show you with some shaving cream with the guard on, kind of how it works. Let's get a good amount of this on here. So I'm gonna put this on the 1.5 here. So I will do just half of my mustache so you guys can see maybe a little bit of a before and after. So here we go. Okay, so there we go. Let me rinse this off. Again, just keeping the guard on there, just rinse that under the sink. All right, so you can see how that did there with the 1.5, and that was with the guard on with some shaving cream. So still pretty effective, and I haven't even changed the blade from this yet. I've been using this for months now. It's probably past the time when I was technically supposed to. I'm doing a lot of just like maintenance stuff like this, kind of a few days a week. But I mean, this has held up well. You can kind of see again, looking at what that did there. Definitely can use shaving cream. You can use shaving gel. It works well. You can just shave with this, just rinse it off under the sink. It works perfectly. So yeah, guys, check out, like I said, I have a review of this. This is the Pro version. I did a video also of why I would recommend just going with the Pro instead of the standard version. But yeah, check that out. That's gonna be in the comments and description. Link will be there as well. That's an affiliate link, so check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.